Galchenyuk with it. Goes back for Petrie. Jeff Petrie to Thomas Plekanec. Trying to set it up. Galchenyuk to Beaulieu. Fired it back on Mason, and he makes the stop. He had the wide open cage and put the shot a little too far to the right.
Beaulieu's a right-handed shot. That's one-timed into the back of the net. He's on his strong side. This is a very tough one-timer. He gets a lot on it, but unfortunately he gets it to the far side of the net, the side that Mason's coming from. And you see it's going in, but Mason's glove is right. Beaulieu tried to get it over to the other side, but that, like I said, that's a tough play.